Alright, what's up everybody? So today I am working on a 2021 Toyota Tacoma in Army Green. Don't worry, this is not my truck. So what I'm doing is replacing the radiator because it is leaking. And yeah, so what I already did is remove the plastic cover that's on top of here. It's on the bench over there. Gonna loosen the radiator fan. The bolts are right there, and I'll be able to get this fan shroud out. And once I have that all out, I should be able to pull the radiator up. Other than that, I have to take off the coolant reservoir hose off because the reservoir comes off with the fan shroud, and then remove the upper and lower radio hose that are down there. Alright, so what I've done so far is take the belt off. The tensioner is just that lower one right there. This is the idler pulley. I also have 3 out of the 4 bolts out so far because just using that one bolt to hold the fan for now. The fan shroud is just held on by 2 bolts, one here and one on the other side. As you can see, there you go. And the bottom part is just clipped into the bottom of the radiator, I guess. There's also a clip that holds these 2 hoses here, right? And I just unclip it right there, this guy, as you can see. And so what I'm going to do is grab this radiator fan shroud and also the radiator fan all together as one whole unit, I guess, as you can say. And that should be it. All right, I lied. Gotta take the tranny lines off first before the fan shroud comes out because that clip in there is in the way for those 2 tranny lines. Alright, so once you have the radiator fan shroud out and also the radiator fan, you can just take the upper radiator hose off, lower radiator hose off, and then there's 4 bolts holding the radiator, and it should just come up from the top. So yeah, this is the first time I've done it, so I find it very simple. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. Okay, so once you have all that and the radiator fan shroud out, there's a 12mm bolt right there. And there's also a 12mm bolt right in that corner right there. That you can see. I don't know if you can see it. I'm pointing at it right on the tip of my flashlight. Same thing on the other side. One up on that corner over there. And then same thing on the top side of the engine bay here. That 12mm bolt right there too. And that radiator should just come out. Alright, so for this part, it might be a little different for everybody because I got a steel bumper here. So what I use to get that bolt up there in the corner, just a long extension and a swivel, and I can break that loose. Once I crack it loose, I can actually reach in there and take it out by hand. So yeah, and there you have it. The radiator is out. Looks like where it's leaking from is right here. Looks like the condenser was hitting up against that part of the radiator and it rubbed through a hole. Slow leak, not a big leak. Yeah, so installation is the reversed order. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.